Masika nagamba ngo akana aza kugura ebintu byo kukozesa mu duuka ye kuyikire yaza kuhura atakibasa kutambura. Obu polisi yabeneetera abahagizi ba Bobi Wine obu yabire naronda akaruru omu district ya Kasese.
Naronga baranga nayo mubanyelasa omutyagas bara banyelasa bamanyeta no kuhosi bara banyeta no kuhosi government ema waiteke college ikinyi sasurel baranga naho nero abagende Bobi Wine mubanyamba na mtolatana byali polisi amabengeramu yemo waiteke ni tuhira kundi ne buba college ni bubanyuhutalaya bara babika
Onesimus Chibaya ogun administrative wa Kirembe Hospital Mine na jirangu Bobi Wine obwaza kuba naronda karuru omu district ya Kasese. Abantu bingi bakatunga obuhuta konka polisi ikabareta Birwariro basa kwa naje no misono kubakoraho bwanyuma Immaculate Masika no yatungira obuhuta bwingi kandi bamubanza miliyoni 1.24
them and almost all were discharged except one who had survived some severe injuries. Some toes were amputated, and the total bill for the hospital, especially for the one lady who is remaining, whom you are telling that we arrested, is 1,240,000. Therefore, for us, we expected now a return of payment, because for us who are defeated, then we expected at least her to pay the bill. That's why she's with us. We treated, and now she's okay, she's fine. And we are waiting for the relatives or the well-wishers to clear the bill. That's what I can really say.
Immaculate Masika na jirangu polisi kamaraganisa kwiza kumusasura ebisare by'Irwaro kwaramari kukira konka kurugana n'obwe tayine ekiyarebere.
Nambaringa uzemejabera bamanyisebod. Asa nababunza banjabera. Isale no munduke mbika kwa takasenyi twira. Ngalo singa wota na chereri. Asa no binyini bano bakanyiyamba. Yenje ngala hanu singa wota mutronira. Ngala hanu ababuti baise baleho kuhi. Tungali aho hanyete.
Ogu nayongera jirangu Irwaro nirienda sente eziri kuingana miliyoni 1.24 kandi taino hadi na sini 10 ikiya kubasa kwa naje numiso no kusasura nasaba government irebeke ngo asakwa naje numiso no kumusasura hatunga ubugabe bwe.
Na ingasaba inyiwetikeye yenje kumbe na inganga na utanga ngaseve kundesa hene business ya yaverewa kandi singa wari na 10 kinga ngatukirako.
A mission hospital which is not for profit making. Therefore, we have charity department. At times, the charity departments, the nuns, they provide some small food to the districts. Therefore, like Immaculate, after realizing that Masika Immaculate has stayed for long and the relatives are no longer coming, no one is coming to our side, therefore the chapel, that charitable department, keeps on providing some food to her till she meets the payment.
Thank you, boss.
Immaculate Masika no barabe ali Irwaro lya Kirembe Mine kumukata yene wade na chakulia na siba na tambura akusabiriza ogu na asaba government hamwe na polisi barebeke ngo asokwana bamukwatiraho bamusasure bisare harebeke ngo yasokwana agarukomuka.